All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're taking a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, first thing we got here, Bam Bam has a Highlander getting struts, and it was initially getting inner and outer tie rod ends, but unfortunately the play is even worse. It's actually in the rack, so we're waiting for customer approval to do the rack as well. This Audi here is actually getting a water pump replaced, you know, because they never go bad on these Audis. Sitting outside is an Infiniti that is unfortunately getting a warranty AC compressor because the clutch is now open. So unfortunately that's a parts failure on Vallejo's part, so we're getting a new compressor, unfortunately. This F-150 is mine. It's got the 3.7 in it. I do have some cooling issues on it. The water pump bearing has failed, and the hose from the reservoir across to the heater core is leaking at the quick coupler. So I'm waiting for the hose to come in to get this one knocked out. This Volvo has been my nightmare for the week. All right, this Volvo got some VVT issues on it. Got a VVT solenoid coming for it in the morning. Zach got an empty bay, but he's working on this Jeep. Water pump, radiator leaking. So he'll get this knocked out in the morning. Josh forgot to put a battery up that he replaced on a alternator job. Knocked out a bunch of oil changes, some brakes. Jesse is doing lower ball joints and shocks on this Ranger. Unfortunately for him, they declined a bunch of other work. He basically kept writing and writing and writing and finally just said, that's enough. So they're fixing the main complaint they came in for, and hopefully they'll get the rest later on. Jesse's also got this Audi that is getting timing belt, AC recharge, and upper control arms. So he's got a bunch of work for tomorrow. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.